Today we have a 2014 Volvo T5 S60. It had a misfiring cylinder 4. We replaced the spark plugs and we switched the coils, but it's still on number 4. So I decided to do the compression and it was 0 compression. Now, when I removed the cylinder head, look what I found. A burned, broken valve on the cylinder 4 exhaust side. And to do this job, you can either take this to the machine shop and they will replace them for you and they clean it and, machine the cylinder head. But with this cylinder head, it did not have a bad head gasket. It was only this valve is burned. So I'm just gonna do it myself. Clean it, clean the surface, and then put the new valves. And this is what you need from Amazon, $15. It will come the next day. This tool, you hold the valve from here, and then you press the spring from here. You will need a pick to get the locks out. Once you press it, I'll show you right here with the pick. Here's the lock, came out. And then you just put it somewhere safe so you don't lose it. So I don't have a fancy garage right now, but maybe in the future, so I can have it more organized. So if you have a Volvo or any car that has a misfiring and low compression, remove the cylinder head and you're most likely gonna find something like this. Thank you for watching.